Your basket is almost full, little bear.
Yes, Owl. Perhaps Mother Bear will make a huckleberry pie.
That sounds good. I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
It's getting late.
And we've got a long walk back.
Not if we take the shortcut through the woods.
What shortcut?
Cat's shortcut. Don't you remember?
I think so.
Don't worry. I know the way.
You sure you know where you're going, Owl?
Of course I do. It's this way. At least I think it's this way.
Owl, look! Over there!
What? Who's there?
It was just me. I scared you, didn't I?
No, I wasn't scared.
But what if it had been a goblin?
A goblin? There's no such thing as goblins. Is there?
I don't remember going this way.
It just looks different because it's getting late.
What was that?
What?
Did you tap me on the shoulder?
No, I'm over here.
Somebody tapped me on the shoulder.
It must have been a goblin.
You said there was no such thing.
Yes, but if there were goblins, this looks like where they would live.
Did you know goblins have magic shoes?
How can shoes be magic?
Because they can walk all by themselves.
I don't think so.
It's true. That's why goblins are always losing their shoes. If you listen, you can hear them. They go pit-pat, 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 pit-pat.
Where is that sound coming from?
It's over there.
No, it's over here.
Huh? It's over there. Oof! Something kicked me.
Me too.
Hey, watch it!
Whoa! Do you think we got away?
I think so. I've never run so fast. Ah! They didn't even stop.
Come back here! Come back here, you two! Stop!
Did you hear that?
You're what?
That laugh.
Our laugh?
No, the laugh of the laughing tree.
I've never heard of a laughing tree.
It's a tree that grabs you and then tries to make you laugh by telling bad jokes. You have to make it laugh or you'll never get away.
There's no such thing as a laughing tree.
Who are you two walking in my woods? Who? An owl goes who? Oh, I can't bear it. Get it? An owl and a bear?
No.
The laughing tree.
Are you lost? We must get to the root of the problem. I always travel with a trunk.
Leave us alone! Leave us alone! Hey, get it? Leave us alone?
Leave us alone. That's good. I like it.
Where are we?
Uh-oh. We're back where we started.
Well, I thought I knew the way, but after all, it is Cat's shortcut.
Cat!
Cat!
And what's wrong with my shortcut? My shortcut is very good.
It's not very good if you get lost.
That's because you took a wrong turn. And that's not my fault.
Can you show us the way home, Cat?
Of course I can. Follow me. There's nothing to be afraid of. You just have to know where you're going.
We saw a goblin. It was scary, wasn't it, Owl?
Very scary.
A goblin?
And the laughing tree was even scarier, wasn't it, Little Bear?
Oh, yes. Very, very scary.
Laughing tree? There's no such thing. What's really scary is the big black crow who lives in these woods.
The big black crow?
Oh, yes. It's twice as big as any other crow.
That's not as scary as a goblin.
It's as big as a tree.
As big as the laughing tree?
No, I mean bigger. It's so big that it's bigger than a house.
Oh, that's big.
We have to watch out for goblins.
And laughing trees.
And giant crows.
Goblins.
Laughing trees.
And giant crows.
Goblins.
Laughing trees.
And giant crows.
Goblins, laughing trees, and giant crows. What could be scarier? Nobody knows. Oh no.
It couldn't be.
It is.
Goblins, laughing trees, and giant crows. Goblins, laughing trees, and giant crows. What could be scarier? Nobody knows.
Mother Bear.
Hello, Little Bear. Hello, Owl. Hello, Cat.
We were picking berries for your pie. Then we came back through the woods and saw a goblin and a laughing tree and a giant crow.
That sounds scary.
No, it was fun.
Oh, but where are your berries?
Oops, my berries.
Well, don't worry. I picked a few berries myself and made a big huckleberry pie.
Mother Bear, can Cat and Owl stay and have some pie?
Of course they can. You must be hungry after coming such a long way.
Oh, not that far. We took Cat's shortcut.